So hi guys, you all can remember one of my recent video I uploaded on this YouTube channel where I talked about how the inner door handle of my 2006 Honda Accord got damaged, and I promised that I'll be showing you guys how to replace it once I got the new one. So this is it. I've just bought a new one from a car accessories store or a car spare parts store, and I'll be showing you how to fix that in just few minutes from now. Oh, you can remember when I do that video, it's actually the driver's seat side that got spoiled, and this is the exact one I bought. Is similar to 2006 Honda Accord. Also, it seems the 2005 and to a 2007 Honda Accord can actually use this, and even some CRV versions can simply use this same inner door replacement. So in few seconds from now, we're moving to my car and I'll show you how to fix this all by yourself. So in case you're coming across this channel from the first time, Chibuzo Agua is my name, and Blogging4Tech is the name of this YouTube channel. It's actually a do-it-yourself channel, a how-to tutorials channel, whereby you can easily carry out so many things simply by yourself without employing the services of maybe a professional or a technician. So that's what I do in this YouTube channel, and that's the more reason why you should be part of this channel. If you want to be part of this channel, you can simply hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notifications so that you get notified whenever I put up my next video. It's an all-round technology related channel, and that's the reason why you should be part of it. So having done that, now let's move to my car where I'll show you how to fix this inner door handle replacement of a 2006 Honda Accord. So now let's go.
So the first thing we need to do is to remove the old one. Just as I've seen, I've simply removed it and do a little bit of check at the moment and trying to see how the new one will fit in. As you can see, all checks properly done. You can see you don't really need to remove the full hood because it has a clip. So now taking the new one and see how it will fit in. So yes, just to check. As you can see, I'm trying to fix it in because I've placed the hook and screwing it properly. Now testing if it works. As you can see, it works perfect.
So this is a brown the new replacement I just placed there. Let's see. As you can see, the doors are now opening properly and it's working. So I noticed that I didn't actually capture the whole videos correctly. So what we did is that we removed this is the old one. Let me show you. This is the old one. We just removed it from the top. We didn't have to remove this whole bodywork, so we removed it and just placed this new one because there's a clip that clipped it. So this is the old one that got damaged. This is the part that got broken. As you can see, there's a spring, there's a handle. Let me show you. So this is the part that got those are complete broken pieces of the whole parts. So we just removed this from here and we replaced it to the new one, so it's working perfectly. So that's how you can easily replace the inner door handle of your car, especially if you're using a Honda Accord, a 2006 Honda Accord, just like myself. So if you like this video, simply give it a thumbs up, and like I always say, subscribe to this YouTube channel and check out for our next do-it-yourself tutorial video. So see ya.